got this central machinery bench grinder which comes with a flex shaft from Harbor Freight Tools the other day. Let's see what's inside the box and how it works very briefly. User manual. It has the product specifications and basic instructions on operation, and also it has a parts diagram which might be useful if we need to replace some parts in the future. The package is not damaged, it's packed very well actually. This is the flex shaft. Shaft has springs to protect the ends, and this end goes onto the machine on the drive axle. This is the grinder itself. One thing I liked about this grinder was it has a RPM control dial here. None of the other grinders Harbor Freight sells right now, at least the grinders that were on display, did not have RPM control. I wanted to have the RPM control the grinder. Although this is small, I think it is a useful feature. This is not a big grinder, this is a 3-inch disc, so this is good for infrequent, non-professional work, I suppose. Now, this comes with rubber feet attached, and there is only one place to attach it onto a bench. So using one bolt here can attach it onto a bench. The flex hose connects to the machine in here. There is a insert rod or the cable, and then the cable can be screwed into the shaft right here. When you use this kind of grinders, it is a very good idea to use gloves and safety glasses before you start operating them. These were the pieces in that small pouch: the guide support, thumb screw, a key, Allen key, grinding cone for the shaft, and then this shield that can be mounted up here to prevent dust and pieces of metal flying onto the operator. Okay, I got the guide support, this shield, and the cable attached. I figured to attach this grinding cone, you need to insert this Allen key into the end of the cable. There's a hole on the side, and then use your key to loosen and tighten the chuck and then it is ready to go. So let me put on my PPE once again before testing the fully assembled grinding unit. So the on-off unit is also built into the RPM control dial. So once the grinding unit is turned on, if the cable is attached, there's no way you can stop this one. So if you're not using the cable, the best thing to do is to detach the cable and leave it aside. Otherwise, while you are using the grinder, this cable might be grinding something else elsewhere if it is kept attached. There's no way to stop this thing, independent of the grinder. So it is pretty easy operation, and this is probably good enough for occasional use for small jobs, but definitely not good enough for professional large-scale operations. Now this is a grinding wheel, and this is more like a soft buffing wheel in here. These two wheels actually come with the unit installed. And that's it. That's the central machinery bench grinder with flex shaft, item number 43533 from Harbor Freight.